As the original inventor of the tubular skylight, Solatube know that one of the key components to any product that sits on your roof is going to be the roof flashing. Now, the roof flashing is the component that connects the dome or the solar roof ventilator to the roof sheet, and this is why you will not find any of the Solatube products in your local hardware store. The reason is that we don't offer a one-size-fits-all roof component or roof flashing, and we actually tailor to suit every single roof component so that you can guarantee that you're not going to have any leaks or roof issues. This flashing is for our terracotta tile. As you can see, it's a larger size flashing that allows you to take out 2 terracotta tiles, and depending on the size that sometimes adjust, you cut off your side piece and this fits in nicely into your terracotta tiles. Now, we'll show you how this gets installed. Let's go take a look.
Now the fun part comes. Done.